In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Podia support. When you need help with your account, products, or billing, the fastest route is built right into your dashboard. I'll show you exactly where it lives so you can reach the team in just a couple of clicks. First, head to the Podia dashboard. Open your browser and go to the dashboard link or sign in as you normally do and you'll land there. Seeing your products, community, and other tools on the screen lets you know you're in the right place. Now look toward the upper right corner for your account name or profile avatar. That's the account menu. Click it to open the drop-down. On smaller screens or mobile, you may need to tap a menu icon first. Your account name will be inside that menu. In the drop-down, click Contact Us. This opens Podia's support channel in a panel or a page. From there, follow the prompts to send your message to the team. Keep the dashboard open so you can reference the exact page or product you're asking about while you write. A couple of quick tips will help you get a faster, more accurate reply. In 1 or 2 sentences, say what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Add the name of the product, page, or feature, and include any error message text. If the form allows attachments, a screenshot of the issue is often the most helpful thing you can provide. For your security, never include passwords or other sensitive details. If you don't see Contact Us in the drop-down, refresh the page and confirm you're on the main dashboard, not inside an editor. Also, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace if you manage more than one. That's all there is to it. Open the Podia dashboard, click your account name to reveal the menu, and choose Contact Us. With a clear, concise message, you'll help the support team understand exactly what you need and they can guide you to a solution quickly. You're now ready to contact Podia support whenever you need a hand.